here is the viral app this Christmas called Elfcam, Santa's Elf Tracker. I specifically upgraded for you, just for you to know is it worth it or not. I think it's kind of worth it, like for the kids. Yeah, it's just 1 year subscription. It's like $4 per year or something like that, and then of course you can just cancel it. But this app using AR, which you can apply to your own room or house. So let's try from the start. So first, you can go and create your own elf. So choose elf. You can delete the elf. You can create a new elf. You can select all of the details, like what you like, or you can just randomly create an elf. Tap save, and then what you do, you just scan the floor or scan your apartment or house, and then you just have it here. And then plot, you need to tap where the elf will be going, like the route of the elf, and then tap set. And then you can also add some interesting animations, and this is how it looks like, quite cool. Then you can also add some additional filters. Then you can also add some props, like additional items. And then you can just tap to record, and then the elf will just go through your route. Isn't that cool? And then this is just in your place, in your house, and then you're recording the video, or you can just show this to your kids, and then this is the video recorded, and then you can just share this video with your kids. So that's basically the idea. Yes, something like that. And then you can just show it as early proof to the kids. So yeah, something like that. So that's the idea of the app. Quite interesting. So give it a try.